Hi again everyone, welcome to my vlog. So for today's video presentation, I'm gonna discuss my design activity which has a servo motor with a water level sensor. By the way, I'm Mark Lester Fundal, a BS Electrical Engineering student. So relax and let's get it on. So in order to achieve this activity, first, I think something that can be guide to my activity, and with this, I use electric fan to be my primary enhancer. So after reviewing the concept of servo motor, finally I sketch up the design with a code, and you see that the servo motor has a three wires, the ground, input voltage supply, and the wire connected to a digital pin to exhibit the signal given by the code. Also, for the water sensor, we all already know its concept because I already create a video regarding to a sensor, and also this LED indicate the pivot of a servo motor according to its angle and rotation. So here is the code to my activity. First, I include the servo library which will initialize the use of servo motor. Take note that not all Arduino app as a file for the servo. Kindly check na lang sa inyong designated file app. I also initialize the water sensor and the two LEDs. Second, for the void setup, I attach the signal of a servo motor to a digital pin 9, and for LEDs, I command it to be an output. This void setup used to be the designation function and also to be a graph or recognition of a device. And lastly, for the void loop, where this paragraph or level makes your design to be a cycle over a period. So in my void loop, I use a if-else statement, and you see that when the water level is greater than or equal to a 50, the command will initialize the position of 0 increment by 1 and reach by 180, then the LED 1 or blue LED will turn on. This indicates that the line program is performing. And on the other hand, when a position reach at 180, the decrement of 1 will occur until it reach to a position 0, and red LED will indicate at this stage. This will cycle over and over if the water sensor is put on a water. Still, the else loop will occur if the water sensor is no longer in the water or no water is being detected or found. Then the servo motor will stop and the two LEDs will off according to the code that I created. So for actual output, when I put the water sensor to a water greater than or equal to 50, the blue LED will on and the use of servo motor will act at on stage. And you see that the red LED is on and a blue LED is now off because the rotation at 180 is to be decrement by 1 at 15 milliseconds. This is my video presentation that I created, and I hope that you find an idea regarding to a servo motor. So thank you everyone. God bless and stay safe everyone. Thanks.